駅構内は終日禁煙です。ご協力をお願いいたします。
Eki kounai means station premises. Eki is train station and kounai premises or grounds. Shujitsu kinen is an expression found on signs that means no smoking at any time. Shujitsu means all day and kinen means smoking prohibited. Eki kounai wa shujitsu kinen desu. No smoking at any time on the station premises. Go kyoryoku is a polite way to say cooperation. Onegai taishimasu is a humble expression similar to saying please or thank you in English. Go kyoryoku wo onegai taishimasu. Thank you for your cooperation. No smoking at any time on the station premises. Thank you for your cooperation.
駅構内は終日禁煙です。ご協力をお願いいたします。エレベーター、エスカレーター、この先にございます。
Elevator is elevator. Escalator, escalator. Konosaki means beyond this point or ahead. And gozaimasu is a more polite version of arimasu, to be. Konosaki ni gozaimasu. It's beyond this point. Elevator, escalator ahead.
エレベーター、エスカレーター、この先にございます。動物たちのお食事タイム。
Doubutsu is animal. On this sign it's written as doubutsu for the children to be able to read. Tachi is a pluralizing suffix, especially for people and animals. Doubutsu tachi, animals. Oshokuji is a polite way to say shokuji, meaning meal or dinner. Taimu means time for or time to do, and is usually used in compound words. Oshokuji taimu, meal time. Feeding time.
動物たちのお食事タイム。